Morning. In my last briefing, I mentioned things felt supported across traditional markets. As a sober reminder that things can change quickly, investors actually turned risk off yesterday. So retail data came out showing sales dropped more than expected, including car sales, which declined even further. And as a result, US equity indexes dropped. It's interesting, however, to notice that in the second half of the session, they were already bouncing back up. So the day was red, but the close was really just 0.5% lower. On the other hand, the dollar rose boldly. With the dollar strength and also the bearishness in equities, we saw the risk of sentiment kind of permeate the crypto space. So Bitcoin fell an additional 2.5%, now hovering around 45,000. And alts are broadly underperforming. So in the alts realm, the worst performers were probably Theta, down 12%, but also Aave, Tezos, Uni, dropping 10%. Other coins are honestly not necessarily doing better. So most cryptocurrency you'd be looking at fell between 5 and 10% yesterday. I personally really explain this pullback as just a reaction to macro markets down session, but also probably the fact that the total crypto market cap tested the 2 trillion mark and was probably the right spot for some traders to take profit across their full portfolio. Now, I personally, as always, really just hold on and look upward. Now, looking at data that came through yesterday, interesting to see that the total value locked in DeFi is fast approaching the all-time high. So there's really something to notice here. Regardless of price action or maybe, cataclysmic predictions, people are still happy to plug into decentralized finance solutions rather than be out of the game, out of crypto, leave money sitting in traditional banks and bonds. And that's very significant in my opinion. An area I don't look at much is NFTs, but it's worth noting that volumes are just cracking up these days with about 1 billion transacted months to date, and we're not even done with August yet, right? Also really nice to see the sales on OpenSea. They have unsurprisingly shot up, but also the search interest on Google isn't anywhere near what it was in March of this year, suggesting there's plenty of room to grow towards as interest picks up. Lastly, as a quick information nugget, Galaxy Digital just filed a US Bitcoin futures ETF. It might sound like a silly argument, but I'm seeing so many companies filing for similar products. I feel like we're bound to at least see some go through, and even just one going through would be great for the space. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.